I love dishes that look like $1 million, but that are super simple to make at home, and this is one of those. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm making crayfish and apple blinis with a little bit of caviar. The first thing that we need to do is drain a pound of pre-cooked crawfish. Then we want to finely chop this thoroughly. When ready, we can set aside. Then we want to very finely dice one crispy apple and set aside. We also want to finely dice one red onion and set aside. Then we're going to get some fresh dill and we're going to finely chop this up. We're going to add the crayfish to a bowl. Then we want to add the red onions. We want to add the apples. Next, we need to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Then we're going to add 24 ounces of mayo. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and also 2 tablespoons of creamy horseradish. We will need to stir this thoroughly. Then we're going to add the finely chopped dill and stir. Last but not least, we're going to squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Stir this again and set aside. Next, we're going to take some blinis from Tsar Nicoulai Caviar and heat up for 4 minutes in the oven at 350. When ready, we're going to put these on a plate, and then we're going to carefully scoop a little bit of the crayfish apple mix on each blini. We want to top this with some sturgeon caviar. Last but not least, we're going to garnish with some finely chopped chives. And this beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my crayfish and apple blinis. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. And look at that. That is beautiful. So here we go. Wow. Just packed with flavor, freshness from the apples. Crayfish is amazing, and then a little bit of that saltiness from the caviar. You should try this at home. Happy grilling. Wow.